What's up my friends, welcome back to the channel and to the last video of 2021. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas. I hope considering the situation you are able to be with the loved ones, the one that matter the most to you. I hope you had great cocktails, great food, that you created new memories with your folks, everything that you wanted. I hope you had it. On our end, Sifra, Leia, and I were extremely lucky. We spent Christmas in San Sebastian with Sifra's family that we haven't seen in 4 years. We had a blast, everything was perfect. And today we're coming back in Bordeaux. It's the 29th of December. We're filled up with energy and good vibe to end this year properly. And by the time we're gonna post this video, it's gonna be the 31st of December, which means celebration. And it also means champagne. And you know, for us, all reasons are good to pop a bottle of champagne. It's Sifra's favorite. We're in France. I love champagne too, but you know, I prefer cocktails. So today, as our little rehearsal for New Year's Eve, I decided I would share with you one of my favorite champagne cocktail, the Old Cuban. But before we jump into the cocktail, I would love to take a minute and be grateful for 2021. First of all, I would love to thank you guys at home, being there week after week, watching the videos after videos. It means the world to us. Because of you, we are able to start living our dream because of your engagement, your love and support. So once again, thank you so much. And I would also love to say hi and thank you to my fellow YouTubers, Leandro and Marius from the Educated Barfly, Steve the Bartender, Anders Eriksson, Cara Devine and her team, and Kevin Cuss and his whole crew. You guys are amazing. It was very fun to collaborate with you this year. You know, I always felt when I was working at a bar and making cocktail competitions that the bar community was really tight, and it is amazing to see that it is the same here on YouTube. So guys, thank you very much. I think we had a great year in 2021, and I'm sure 2022 will be even better. And speaking of 2022, we have great things coming up this year. New projects, new ideas, and plenty good stuff. So if you don't want to miss that, that's the time when I ask you, if you are not subscribed to the channel already, or if you are but haven't turned that notification bell on, it would be awesome if you would do that. That would be a great New Year's gift. And about the new projects, there's one thing we would love to have your opinion on. You know, Truffles on the Rocks always been about food and cocktails. If you refer to our Instagram and blog, it's always been like that. But here on YouTube, we've been pretty much dedicated to cocktails only, and we would love to change that. We would love to start making food videos. So we want to ask you, do you think food videos would be great here on the main channel, or we should start a new channel for that? Be aware, don't worry, we will not lower the amount of cocktail videos, we would simply make more content about food. So let us know your thoughts in the comments down below. So all that being said, let's kickstart that here the way it should be. Let's open up that bottle of champagne and make some Old Cubans, shall we?
Oh my god.
And for you. Cheers, guys. Let's do it. Okay, after a little cleanup, we're ready to make the cocktail. I should have seen that coming because that bottle of champagne's been sitting on the counter for a little while. And if you didn't know, now you know. Warm champagne tends to explode. But half a bottle of champagne later, we're all ready to make the Old Cuban, this delicious riff on the mojito that was created in 2004 by Audrey Saunders in New York City. There's not much to say about the history except that it is delicious and it's very celebration-like, so perfect for New Year's Eve or any other time of the year if you're watching this 6 months from now. So guys, for the ingredients, what you're gonna need is a bottle of aged rum, and today I'm using Diplomatico Mantuano. This is a rum from Venezuela, and obviously the Old Cuban calls for a Cuban rum, but I really love this one. It has a little bit of added sugar and it stands out really nicely in the cocktail. Next, we're gonna need freshly squeezed lime juice, semi-rich cane syrup, mint leaves, Angostura bitters, and what you have left of champagne. So now let's build. So first, in a cocktail shaker, we're gonna pour 1.5 ounces or 45 mils of our rum. ¾ ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. ½ ounce of semi-rich cane syrup. Two dashes of Angostura bitters. And about 8 to 10 mint leaves. We're gonna slap them a little bit, release the oils. We're gonna dump them in the shaker. We're gonna fill it up with ice. And give it a good shake for about 10 seconds. Before we strain the cocktail in the coupe, we're gonna add about 2 ounces of champagne. If you do the other way around, the champagne simply gotta float at the surface of the cocktail and you're gonna have to mix it with a spoon to incorporate all the ingredients together. So this is a little pro tip. Now we can fine strain the cocktail. And we're simply gonna garnish it with a little mint sprig. Once again, we're gonna slap it a little bit to release the oils. And we're simply gonna place it next to the cocktail, just like that. And this, my friend, is how we make an Old Cuban. Now let's give it a try. This is amazing, guys. Super refreshing. It is rich and complex because of the aged rum and the spices from the Angostura bitters. The champagne makes it very chic, lively, and it also dries it down a little bit, which is awesome. It is perfect for party nights. Probably perfect for every day of the year if you ask me, but especially for New Year's Eve, I think this is the best cocktail you can make. And if your fellows don't like cocktails, then they just have to finish the bottle of champagne, which is also pretty awesome. And that's what Sifra is gonna do tonight. So guys, that's it for me today. I really hope you're gonna enjoy this video. Thank you very much for watching week after week, videos after videos. As I said, we love you. It's because of you that we do that. So thank you very much. We appreciate your support. We appreciate your love. We appreciate all of you. So thank you once again. I can't say it enough. Happy New Year and see you next year. Cheers. That's how we do here. Cocktail, champagne. Cheers.